Dear candidates, we will continue with the mathematical reasoning. Under the mathematical reasoning, we are having the proportionate, percentages and the fractions. So here question number 4. Sanjay sold an article at a loss of 25%. If the selling price had been increased by rupees 175, there would have been a gain of 10%. What is the cost price of the article? So this question looks difficult, but it is very simple. Okay, so he would have gained the 10% and the loss of 25%. So that means 35% is nothing but 175. What we need is 100%, right? So what is asked? Cost price of the article. So if the sales price of the article is asked, so in that case we would have written this as 110. So here this will be like 100 by 35 into 175. So 35 ones are, so 35 5s are. So your answer should be 500. Option 3 is our answer. I'll go for question number 5. If 152 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 3, 4, 5 and 7, then the smallest part is what? We have to do is we are going to divide the 152 in the proportional of 3, 4, 5, 7. So the ratio is 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 7. And what is asked is what is the smallest part? The smallest part is obviously this one. Okay, so if you are writing this ratio in the fractions, this will become 3 by 19. This 19 is nothing but total of these 4. Okay, so that will be 3 by 19. So the smallest part is obviously 3. So that is why I will go for 3 by 19 into 152. 19 ones are 19 8s are 152. 8 3s are 24. So your answer should be option 4. Okay, so they have asked the smallest part, so that is why I have considered 3 by 19. If they have asked the biggest part, I could have considered the 7 by 19. So the last question for today's class is, in a new budget, the price of petrol rose by 25%. By how much percent must a person reduce his consumption so that his expenditure on it does not increase? Okay, so this question looks a little bit tough, but it is very easy. So this is a reduction in consumption question. There is a 2 trick to solve it. Okay, so you can follow this formula. R is nothing but increase in that particular price. If you are seeing this type of the question, apply this formula into 100, since they have asked the question in the proportionate. So this will come like 25 divided by 100 plus 25 into 100. So 25 ones are 25, 5s are 25, 5s are 125. So 1 by 5 is nothing but 20%. Okay, so this is a one method to solve it. Another method to solve it is, I informed about the fractions. So I will make it like on cost on sales. 1/3 on the cost is 1/4 on the sales. We can convert this fraction into proportionate as well. This is 33.33%. This is 25%. So this is a common rule that 33.3% on the cost is equal to 25% on the sales, or else 25% on the sales is equal to 33.33 proportionate. So in the fraction, always there is the one less in the denominator. We have already studied in my previous class as well. So on the basis of this, we can calculate the answer. So this is the 25%. This will be on what? Always raise means obviously we are going to add. Okay, so usually the profit is added on the cost, right? So the price is raised on the cost. I can say the 25% is on the cost. Now your consumption is a constant, so that means what is the percentage of your consumption on the total sales? 25% on the cost is equal to 20% on the sales, or else you can write it like 1/4 on the cost is equal to 1/5 on the sales. So 20% should be your answer. So this is a simple trick. As I mentioned, we should know about this kind of the tricks. Just watch my previous classes. I have informed about this trick as well. So that's it for today's class. Like, share, subscribe and refer with your friends who really need this type of the videos, and click the bell icon to get the video notifications. With the collaboration of my colleague, I am also making the stock market updates videos as well. So in every morning before 9, you will get the stock market's forecast update, and in every evening before 8:30, you will get the stock market's review, and definitely it's worth watching. Please go to the channel, click the playlist. You will get stock market daily series, and please do watch the videos.